What if I told you that one simple formula could replace minutes of manual calculations with a single press of the Enter key? In this lesson, you're going to write your very first Excel formula and discover how professionals perform calculations in seconds instead of doing everything manually. Before learning advanced Excel features, you must understand one simple concept. Every calculation starts with a formula. Whether you're calculating sales, salaries, expenses, grades, or business reports, formulas are the foundation of everything you do in Excel. Once you understand how formulas work, you'll be able to automate calculations instead of doing them by hand. In this lesson, you will learn how to write your first formula from scratch, use the sum function to add numbers, calculate averages with average, count cells with count and count A, and understand the difference between relative and absolute references. By the end of the lesson, you'll have the skills to build simple formulas with confidence. Every formula in Microsoft Excel begins with the equal sign. This is the one rule that never changes. The moment you type the equal sign into a cell, Excel immediately understands that you want to perform a calculation instead of entering plain text. Without the equal sign, Excel treats everything you type as regular text, and no calculation will ever take place. Every Excel formula follows the same basic structure. First comes the equal sign. Next comes the function name, such as sum or average. Finally, the function uses parentheses that contain either cell references, values, or a range of cells. Once you understand this simple structure, learning new Excel functions becomes much easier. A range is simply a group of cells. When you write B2 to B10, Excel understands that you are referring to every cell starting from B2 and ending with B10. The colon tells Excel to include every cell between those two references. Using ranges allows you to calculate many values with a single formula. Before writing your first formula, remember these three simple rules. Never leave a space after the equal sign. Always separate the first and last cell of a range with a colon. And finally, press Enter to confirm your formula after you finish typing it. Following these rules will help you avoid many beginner mistakes. Congratulations! You have completed Part 1 and learned how every Excel formula begins, how formulas are structured, and how to write your very first formula correctly. But this is only the beginning. In the next parts, you'll discover how to use the sum function to calculate totals in seconds, the average function to find the mean of your data, count and count A to count different types of cells, and finally, one of the most important Excel concepts, relative and absolute references using the dollar sign. Make sure to watch Part 2, Part 3, and Part 4 so you don't miss the rest of the lesson, and continue building your Excel skills step by step.